This Java development kit is an environment for building our Java applications. So what is there in this particular kit? So it has very important things which will help us for the entire development, testing, execution of all our code. Okay, so sometimes you would have directly used Eclipse also. You would have directly installed Eclipse without installing JDK. It works because internally Eclipse has a inbuilt JDK and it uses that particular JDK. Okay, but generally if you want a particular, so Java 8, if I want Java 8, Java 9, Java 11, then I have to install that particular JDK and I have to set Eclipse to use that particular JDK, then it was possible to use that JDK. Okay, let's many a times they will be asking interview questions here. What is JRE? What is JDK? What is JVM? So let's understand these things. So Java Development Kit has runtime environment and also it provides lot of development tools. So what is there in this particular development tools is it has debugging. So when I teach you next topic is itself debugging. How do you debug the code? So all the debugging tools, all the testing tools, all the testing environment has been provided in the JDK. Along with that, we have when we execute the code. So you click on execute, right? So that execution, once you click on execute, what happens? It creates a dot class file and then that goes to the interpreter, JIT, just in time compiler, and then it is converted to the machine code, right? We learned the other day. So that is done in this blue box, which is called as Java runtime environment. So what is this Java runtime environment? Here, an actual execution of the code happens. So internally, it has something called as the heart of JDK or JRE. Heart of JRE is Java Virtual Machine, JVM, which actually executes our code. It takes the bytecode, it converts it into the machine code. So Java JVM is an engine that provides runtime environment to drive the Java code. It converts Java bytecode into machine language. Okay, so basically Java virtual machine is very important for execution of our code. Okay, along with that, this JDK provides multiple classes, multiple. We cannot write everything from the scratch, right? So there are inbuilt classes, inbuilt packages, which are ready made for us to use, and it provides entire classes and packages. Okay, go ahead and we will learn about the something called as arrays. So any idea what are arrays in Java? So if you so basically arrays are nothing but